Hi, I'm Sunny. I'm a nurse in the US. Welcome to my channel, Natural Connection. In this video, you will learn my secret healthy homemade salad dressing recipe and its health benefits. This recipe helps with weight loss and it's super easy to make. Please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and click the bell icon to turn on the notifications. This video is for information purposes only. I'm not a doctor, I'm just a nurse. I also added a timeline of this video below in the video description. If you are not interested in watching the health benefits of the ingredients used for the salad dressing, please feel free to jump to the section for how to make the salad dressing. Let's get started. Let's first talk about the health benefits of the salad dressing ingredients. The ingredients used for this recipe include apple cider vinegar, water, flax seeds, chia seeds, and extra virgin olive oil. Let's first talk about the health benefits of the apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has so many health benefits, includes aiding weight loss and being used as a natural remedy to treat a variety of illnesses. It regulates blood sugar levels and enhances weight loss. You might ask, is apple cider vinegar good for weight loss? And how much weight can you lose by drinking apple cider vinegar? There is a lot of research out there confirming the benefits of apple cider vinegar for weight loss. In one study, consuming just 2 tablespoons per day of apple cider vinegar over 12 weeks resulted in nearly 4 pounds of weight loss, with no other modifications to the diet or lifestyle. Apple cider vinegar also lowers cholesterol and improves skin health. It doesn't just affect your internal health, it has also been shown to treat acne and reduce scarring. Moreover, apple cider vinegar reduces blood pressure. It can relieve symptoms of acid reflux or GERD. It's a condition characterized by acid backflow from the stomach up into the esophagus, causing symptoms like heartburn, belching, and nausea. Acid reflux is often a result of having low levels of stomach acid. If this is the case for you, drinking apple cider vinegar may help provide relief from acid reflux symptoms by introducing more acid into the digestive tract to prevent acid backflow. For best results, dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in an 8-ounce glass of water and drink just before eating. To maximize the apple cider vinegar benefits, you should pick organic, raw, and unfiltered apple cider vinegar whenever possible. It should have "with the mother" on the label. You can buy this from any grocery stores. I personally buy my organic apple cider vinegar from Costco and BJ. These two brands have different tastes, and I personally prefer the one from BJ. Let's talk about the risks and side effects. If you are taking blood sugar medications, talk to your doctor before using apple cider vinegar because apple cider vinegar may help reduce blood sugar levels. You may need to modify your dosage of diabetes medications to prevent hypoglycemia symptoms. Next, let's talk about the health benefits of extra virgin olive oil. 1. It protects heart health. 2. It helps fight cancer. 3. It helps with weight loss and obesity prevention. Research has shown that extra virgin olive oil can help with weight loss. Fats are satiating and help reduce hunger, cravings, and overeating. 4. It supports brain health. 5. It fights mood disorders and depression. Healthy fats, including olive oil, have hormone balancing anti-inflammatory effects that can prevent neurotransmitter dysfunction. Low-fat diets are often linked to higher rates of depression. Mood or cognitive disorders can occur when the brain doesn't get a sufficient amount of happy hormones like serotonin or dopamine, important chemical messengers that are necessary for mood regulation, getting good sleep, and thought processing. 6. It naturally slows aging. An anti-aging diet should have plenty of healthy fats. Extra virgin olive oil is a great example. It contains a type of antioxidant which help activate gene signature, contributing to anti-aging and a reduction of cellular stress. Just remember that olive oil shouldn't be cooked at high heat, or it could have opposite effect. Cooking with olive oil produces advanced glycation end products, which contribute to the multi-system functional decline that occurs with aging. Number 7, it may help lower risk of diabetes. Number 8 is associated with lower breast cancer risk. There are a couple things to know about using extra virgin olive oil. First, make sure to get oil in a darkly colored glass jar, labeled as extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil from Italy, to get the best olive oil benefits. Cheap options, plastic bottle oils, and anything in a clear bottle is more likely to be stopped with fillers like other rancid oils and may be more likely to go rancid faster and counteract the olive oil benefits. Next is flaxseed. Flax seeds have been consumed for at least 6,000 years, making them one of the world's first cultivated superfoods. What does flaxseed do for you that makes it one of the most popular superfoods? Flax seeds contain anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids along with antioxidant substances called lignans that help promote hormonal balance, in addition to several other benefits of flaxseed. There are top 12 flaxseed benefits. Number 1, high in fiber but low in carbs. Flax is low in carbohydrates, but extremely high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which means it also supports colon detoxification, may help with fat loss, and can reduce sugar cravings. Number 2, high in omega-3 fatty acids. We hear a lot about health benefits of fish oil and omega-3 fats lately, which is one reason why flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds have become known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Fish oil contains EPA and DHA, two omega-3 fats obtained only from animal foods that are critical for optimal health. Although flax seeds do not contain EPA or DHA, they do contain the type of omega-3 called ALA, which acts somewhat differently in the body compared to EPA and DHA. Number 3, it helps make skin and hair healthy. It can also improve symptoms of acne and eczema. The same benefits also apply to eye health, as flax can help reduce dry eye syndrome due to its lubricating effects. Flaxseed oil is another great option for your skin, nails, and eyes and hair since it has an even higher concentration of healthy fats. Number 4, it helps lower cholesterol and treat hyperlipidemia. A study found that adding flax seeds into your diet can naturally reduce cholesterol levels by increasing the amount of fat excreted through bowel movements. Studies show that flax seeds can significantly lower these lipids. Number 5, it's gluten-free. Flax seeds are a good choice for those who have celiac disease or a gluten sensitivity. As a gluten-free method of baking, I often use flaxseed along with coconut flour in recipes to add moisture. Number 6, it may help manage diabetes. Flaxseed is well known for its effect against blood sugar spikes, making it a potentially useful tool for diabetics. When diabetics subject to 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed daily for a month, they experience a significant drop in fasting blood sugars, triglycerides, cholesterol, and A1C levels. Number 7, high in antioxidants, lignans. One of the greatest benefits of flaxseed is that it is packed with antioxidants, specifically the type called lignans, that are unique fiber-related polyphenols. Flax seeds have anti-aging, hormonal balancing, and cellular regenerating effects. Number 8, It may help regulate blood pressure. Studies have shown that flaxseed may lead to a significant decrease in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Number 9, it supports digestive health. One of the most well-researched benefits of flaxseed is its ability to promote digestive health. The ALA in flax can help reduce inflammation and protect the lining of the GI tract. Flaxseed has been shown to be beneficial for people suffering from Crohn's disease and other digestive ailments. Flaxseed is very high in soluble and insoluble fiber, which means it's very helpful for maintaining normal bowel movements because it can help bulk up stool and flush waste from the GI tract due to its gel-like quality. Flaxseed is considered one of the best natural remedies for constipation. Number 10, it may help lower cancer risk. Flax seeds may be able to help prevent certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, ovarian, and colon cancer. Number 11, it may help with weight loss. Studies have found that flax seeds may improve obesity and support weight loss. Since flax is full of healthy fats and fiber, it helps you feel satisfied for longer. Number 12, it helps decrease menopausal and hormonal imbalance symptoms. Lignans found in the flaxseed have been shown to have many benefits for menopausal women. In fact, flaxseed can be used as an alternative to hormone replacement therapy in some cases, or as a complementary approach to balancing hormones due to the estrogenic properties that lignans have. Due to flax's ability to balance estrogen, flax seeds may also help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. I highly recommend ground flax seeds instead of whole flax seeds. Flax seeds are even more beneficial when sprouted and ground into flaxseed meal. Grinding flax helps you absorb both types of fiber, allowing you to take advantage of even more of the benefits of flaxseed. Whole flax seeds will pass right through your body without being digested, which means you will not receive many of the benefits. Next one is the health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are small, round, either white or black seeds that originated thousands of years ago in Mexico and South America. Like flax, chia can absorb lots of water, contribute to the feeling of fullness, prevent constipation, and help with digestive health. Chia seeds has many health benefits similar to that of flax seeds, including high fiber, help blood sugar control, lower cholesterol, high in antioxidants, and have high proteins. Chia seeds contain more calcium and phosphorus than flax seeds. Both types of seeds are high in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, and protein. They both support healthy skin, promote digestive health, and boost cardiovascular health. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are beneficial for digestion and help to relieve constipation. Both form a gel when they are combined with liquid during digestion. The fiber in both chia seeds and flax seeds also act as prebiotics that help to stimulate the growth of friendly bacteria in your gut. Look for flaxseed and chia seeds in major grocery stores, health food stores, and online. These days, they are widely available in supermarkets. I bought my flax seeds from Amazon online and the chia seeds from Costco. You can grind whole flax seeds in a coffee grinder, which is best done immediately before eating them, so they do not spend much time exposed to air. You can also buy flax seeds pre-ground as flaxseed meal or golden flaxseed meal. Let's talk about the risks and side effects. When you first introduce flax and therefore a lot of fiber are added to your diet, you might temporarily experience some of these side effects include bloating, gas, abdominal discomfort, loose stools, decreased appetite. The fiber in flaxseed may impair absorption of some medications. Also be aware that flaxseed acts as a blood thinner, so if you are taking any blood thinner, such as aspirin, you should avoid flaxseed consumption. Now let's dive into how to make this healthy salad dressing recipe. I created this recipe and eat them almost daily. The recipe is 1 serving is for a medium-sized bowl of salads. The ingredients The first step is grind the flax seeds and chia seeds together if you are using the whole flax seeds. And then for me, I use that coffee grinder to grind them together. And then you add all the ingredients into a bowl and mix them together until thoroughly mixed. Be sure to use flaxseed meal, not the whole flax seeds. So after I finish them, I pour apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of water. It's 1-to-1 ratio. After you mix the water, the apple cider vinegar, the extra virgin olive oil, and the seeds together, they will form a gel-like mixture. This is because the flax seeds and chia seeds absorb liquids. If after mixing them, you still feel the mixture is too sticky or too gluey, gel-like, you can add more water or apple cider vinegar to it to see if that is the consistency you like. It also depends on each person's taste for the dressing. If you add more apple cider vinegar than the water, it will taste more sour. This recipe is super easy and quick, but very healthy. I hope you will try this salad dressing recipe yourself. I really hope this video can help you become healthier and achieve your goal if you are trying to lose weight and be healthy. Please comment below and let me know your thoughts. I would like to know if you like the video. Please hit the like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please be sure to check out my other videos. I hope you have a great week. Bye.